Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is safe at home. Okay, and today I'll teach you how to add a video inside a text. So it's very easy. So let's start. So let's start by adding a basic background. Okay, I'll choose a black color as my background. Let me increase its duration, maybe 9 second or 9-10 second of your choice. And after that I'll add a text. So I'll add Binod as a text because Binod is very viral now. So I have video on Binod also, you can check it out. I'll add some color, I'll add some font. Let's color be white, no problem. Let's give some animation effect. Fine, pop is fine. So pretty much my text is ready. Yeah, it's ready now. So now I need to add a layer of video. So I'll be adding a video. I'll choose a video of Mobile Legend. Yes, yeah, and I'll fit to screen. Okay, fine. And so this my video is very long, so I'll trim some of the video length. Okay, trim. Yeah, okay, let's trim again. Okay, so the only thing is now is, so go to the blending options of video, choose multiply option, and bang, your output is ready. See, it's so nice. It's very easy. You can try it by yourself. And if you like this content, please like, share and subscribe, and please visit my channel again. Thank you.